y'all doing? I thought you were upstairs.
Everybody inside.
Pop, we need to talk.
Mom, this isn't a joke. Do whatever he says.
Get your iPod.
His iPod? I demand an explanation.
They're coming.
Who?
The Russians.
Russians?
I saw them outside. They're coming.
Russians?
Yes, Jillian, Russians. Let's try and keep up.
It's too late. Everybody upstairs. Understand me? Stay there. Where's my stuff?
Here, take some of this stuff.
What is all this?
Protection.
Why do you have a lighter? I don't want you playing with fire. Okay, maybe just this once. Let's go. Trick or treat! Hurry, close it. Go, go, go. Okay.
We forgot Jethro! Nora!
What are you supposed to be?
A cyborg sent from the future to blast you away. Mommy, that man can fly.
I can't believe you did this to my family. Endangered my kids?
I didn't mean to. I love your kids. I want to marry you. All four of you.
And I wanted to marry you. But our wedding gifts would have to be opened by the bomb squad.
All right, Ho. Enough games.
I finally found a normal guy, I thought. Someone who likes to...
Can we talk about this later? Oh, you switched belts. Get it. Give me the iPod, kid.
Come on, it's TP Little Geek's house. Yeah, TP.
Oh, hey guys. Gotta go.
Maybe we should just stick to stealing candy from little kids.
Yeah, real little kids.
This is going to be fun.
Hey, Larry. Knock, knock. Yes.
Unlock the hurry. Lock it.
Irish stew in the name of the law.
Sorry your retirement was so short, Bob.
You can kill me. Let the family go.
I can't, they seen too much. But I'll let you go first so you don't have to watch.
Hey, mister. Don't think this changes anything.
Everybody freeze! It's okay. They're the good guys.